For nearly 35 years, HydroClean Certified Restoration has been committed to serving local businesses in the Baltimore metropolitan area. HydroClean offers a wide variety of cleaning solutions, including tile cleaning, carpet cleaning, disinfecting services, and more to suit any size building.
Going back 30 years, we have used HydroClean not only to clean and sanitize and disinfect the restaurant and the kitchen, but also to keep our carpets maintained. Clean carpets is, one key to the success of our business.
A family-owned company, the professionals at HydroClean understand the importance of local business and its impact on the community.
Anytime I need to reach out, whether it be an emergency situation or where we are with COVID right now, they're happy to help.
Residential or commercial, HydroClean has the latest and most advanced tools to keep the places that matter most to you sanitized and safe. This includes the latest electrostatic handheld sprayers. With a runtime of 4 hours, HydroClean can quickly disinfect 99.99% of areas big and small. Call us today at 410-457-9998 to learn more about what services we can provide to keep your property clean and secure.